What is going on, YouTube? I hope all of you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I'm bringing you a little bit of an emergency video, a wake-up call, and a different perspective. Usually when I make these investment videos, I'm pretty happy and pretty like, let's go, let's go. But today I actually want to talk to you guys about something that's been going on that not so many people are really talking about, but a lot of people do know this, and this is no surprise. Prismatic Evolutions, guys, has been crashing significantly. And I'll show you guys the proof, the boxes, and everything. Okay, but before I hop into this, I gotta mention I'm not a financial advisor, so please take this for your own advice. Now let's begin. Let me make sure I'm recording this really quick. Just gotta make sure. All right, there we go. Well, guys, where do we even start? If we check the Prismatic Evolutions Elite Trainer box for the first time in literal history, and no, I am not kidding when I say this to you, we are finally about to crash below the $100 mark. This is something that has never been done, guys, ever in history yet. But it finally looks like we're tipping the iceberg, and we're finally going to go below the $100 mark for the Prismatic Evolutions ETB. Prismatic Evolutions SPCs, however you want to call them, I call them UPCs because that's just the way I call them, are finally about to crash, guys, below the $200 mark. Prices across the entire board for singles are plummeting as well. As if I click on literally any freaking card, the singles are really hard to sort of prove because they're just not too much buy volume. What's a good one I could show you? Here we go. I can show you Umbreon. This one it's the main card of the set. This card is down 25% in the past 3 months. And it's around 25% down overall. But you guys see my point. The whole market for Prismatic Evolutions is red. Now, usually, what I would say, right? Usually, this is what I would say. Guys, this is your best buying opportunity. Buy now. But for the first time, and in a real humble way, I'm going to say, guys, let the market free fall. I believe that I'm kind of curious. I'm kind of curious to see how far Prismatic can fall. Because right now, if you guys have not been paying attention, Best Buy has been releasing and has been getting so much Prismatic Evolutions. It's crazy. People are literally going there after they sell out and still finding product. Target is getting a massive restock as well. I've seen some videos of that as well. Most importantly, I believe I've been seeing like a lot of poster collections, ETBs in general. So just a lot of Prismatic volume going around. And then we have Destined Rivals, and we have all of these new sets that are really just pulling at the market at a whole right now. If I could draw it out for you guys, I will. But before, if you guys just want to support your boy, I did unlock memberships. I do really appreciate it. If you guys are interested and want to get exclusive content, etc., you guys can definitely go ahead and join, subscribe. Just not begging y'all. I just want to say if you guys are interested in that. Let's get back to the video. I think right now what's finally happening is if this is the water for the ocean, and I wish there was a different color, but there really isn't. I'm gonna go with we'll go with this. And this is the iceberg, guys, that we all know and love of Prismatic Evolutions. We're finally starting to see the iceberg tip over. We're finally starting to see it fall. And I'm honestly kind of surprised this is happening. But, as a market investor, guys, listen. I said this. I freaking said this. And I say this sometimes. I'm going to say it again. There will never always be a bull market. There's always going to be a bear market, right? The greenness will always come to a redness, and eventually there will be a collapse. And I think right now, guys, we are in this sort of stage right here. We've been going through a very, very red spot recently with Prismatic for the past week. And I think officially we can now say that now the tables have turned, and we're starting to see the downfall of Prismatic Evolutions. We literally have Destined Rivals that just came out, and it's doing pretty well. That's like a whole separate video. We literally have ETBs literally almost crossing the $100 mark, practically matching Prismatic Evolution ETBs, which is kind of interesting. We have booster boxes reaching the 260 mark. So Destin is pretty strong, which I think goes to my point of how people are more so interested in the newer set, so they're leaving Prismatic behind now a little bit. Drink some water. But I do think, guys, I mean, just look at this graph, bro. This is pretty freaking nuts. This is pretty nuts, man. And I'm saying this because I'm kind of curious to see how far Prismatic can go. if I had to draw the prismatic ETB, guys, right? If I had to draw the ETB, say I'm going to draw the red mark, right? Say we're right here right now with prismatic. We're literally at the $100 mark for the set for the ETB. I honestly believe this in all my heart. The ETB will continue to free fall. Will continue to free fall, continue. And I think we will see this ETB, guys, probably hit $80 to $90 in the safe spot. I'm saying that to not be crazy, to not sound like, oh my dude, it's gonna just go below that. But that's my thoughts for the ETB. And it's freaking happening. It is happening, guys. I mean, sales are literally plummeting. I mean, as I speak, they continue to drop. We literally have some sales right now for $98, officially breaking the mark of the triple digits for this set. We even have one going for $90 right here, which is honestly crazy. And I'm saying that this could happen with just in a few days, guys. I'm saying few days this will happen. And honestly, I don't see it recovering anytime soon. I don't see these ETBs skyrocketing in price because there's just so much volume going around right now. And also you have to remember a lot of the vending machines did get restocked from Destined Rivals, so a lot of people are getting that from that as well. So there's just a lot of volume going on right now, and the demand for prismatic is still strong, but not as strong as what it once was in January, in February, and March. It's just not there anymore, right? It's just not there. We can all agree on that because the market is showing that. That's important. Numbers do not lie. If the market is proving, you know, I've watched a lot of Shark Tank in my life. I know a lot of this stuff. I listened from one of the sharks in the thing saying, this product sucks. But if the market likes it, if you've been getting $3 million, then obviously the market likes it. So back to my point of prismatic, the hype around paying $130, guys, is still not there. People are either leaving the hobby, liquidating their collections, or smart investors now are starting to come in and are going to buy these products for long term and wait for them to continue to drop. Usually, I've been making a few recent videos, guys. I've been trying to post daily, so appreciate me for doing that. I've been talking about this product so freaking much, and I'm going to continue to talk about it because I think this is the best prismatic product we will ever see for long-term growth, guys. This is practically the grand finale. I said this in a recent video. One of you guys did comment saying, oh, this is not the grand finale of the product. I respect that for letting me know, but my point being of what I mean by grand finale, I mean like this is the product that at the end of the day everyone will want. All right, if we go to 151, guys, the UPC is literally hitting an all-time high. We have these boxes going for 350 all around. We could probably just say 350. I mean 400, 360. We'll call it 350. And this product is nearly 40%. I'm just guessing. I'm throwing out that number. 40 to 30% cheaper than that. And it's continuing to crash, guys. I mean, this product is just going straight down, man. Past 3 months down 60%. Guys, that is dramatic. And dramatic prismatic. That's actually kind of rhymes. It's kind of funny. But you guys could just see that this thing is just going and going and going and going. And it's in a free fall. And I think with this product as well, I'm going to let it sit. I'm kind of curious, how far can this thing go as a Pokemon product? I think we could probably see this box hit 180. I'm saying that, bro, and I'm saying that with courage. I think, guys, what's going on right now, right, is what's happening is a lot of people, I should say this correctly, and this is a really good thing, guys. This is a good thing that this stuff is happening because my channel, and I've said this in a lot of my videos, and I continue to say this, is for long-term growth. Don't worry, because this is all short-term. In 3 to 5 years, obviously, stuff will be way different. But I think what's going on right now is a lot of the scalpers in the market are like, oh, blank, what the hell is going on? Why are all of my numbers dropping? Why are my prismatic ETBs that I bought for $115 now worth 100? I'm losing money. Oh, no. What's happening is they're getting scared. They're selling their products, boom, boom, boom. This is a guess. I'm not saying this is what's really happening. Obviously, there's a lot of volume going on right now, but I think this was going on with third-party resellers. And they're just selling and selling, and they're trying to sell, and they're trying to compete with each other, guys. And that's why a lot of these sales are literally $180, $205, $190. I'm 198. I'm sorry. This is crazy, bro. And I mean, I'm just scrolling through the days, guys. Look at that. This product literally just a few days ago was selling on average for $220, and within just a few days, it dropped $20. That's insane. That is freaking insane. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I don't know truly how low this thing can go, but I'm curious. Do I have this product in my collection yet? No. And for those of you guys who are new to my channel, I 100% believe in patience, because I never bought a Prismatic ETB ever from a third. I never bought any product from a third party, and I believe that this is a great thing, guys. This is a great thing, because what this means theoretically is that Pokemon now will become more and more available. I'm not saying that scalpers are leaving the market. I'm not saying any of that. We still have Black Bolt, White Flare. We still have a lot of these sets. And kind of interested, I'm taking a different take now. I watched a video from this one TikToker who said, after Black Bolt, White Flare, all of the Pokemon hype will leave the market. And first time I watched that, it was literally like 2 nights ago. I was like, dude, nah, that's kind of pushing it. But now, sort of seeing how the market is proving its point, in ways I can say, alright, I can sort of get where you're coming at. And guys, this is a great thing, guys. This is a great thing for us. For us investors, this is a great thing. Because what this means is that finally, for the first time, we will be able to get product below crazy price. Before, during its peak, let me go to it. During its peak, guys, during its peak right here, you had to pay triple MSRP for a Prismatic ETB. Now, you're likely just paying double, not even double. I believe MSRP for this ETB is $54.99, which is probably around 90% XR times MSRP. I hope I'm saying that right. I hope I did. So guys, we are making drastic changes in the market. The push we've all been fighting for to get Pokemon product finally is coming true. And I gotta say this, guys. This product will become more and more available to us. We know Pokemon is picking up their printers. We know that all of this stuff will continue to go and push for higher numbers. And this is a great thing. This really is a good thing for us, right? For scalpers, probably not. This is really bad for them. But I am just beyond happy right now that this stuff is happening, because we finally get to get product again, guys. And I mean, I'm clicking on literally every product right now. Booster bundles down 20%, which is honestly crazy. Also, oh my god, I forgot to mention this. Costco just had a massive restock of Prismatic as well. So I'm telling you, when I say this to you guys, there's so much volume going on right now in the market. It's crazy, and this is so cool. I love it. Past 3 months, down 28% for the surprise boxes, which is crazy. Now you're literally paying just double MSRP if you want to, which is awesome. Like, this is really happening. I mean, instead of paying triple, quadruple, this thing was literally a quadruple product, guys. This thing hit 5x. I'm sorry, this was a 5x product. Whoever paid 5x for this is so stupid. Or even at its lowest point in March, people were paying triple MSRP for this. Now you're barely paying 2.5x right now for this. And I think this stuff will continue to drop. And guys, this is so cool. This is so good. This is freaking awesome that this is happening. As Costco, Best Buy, vending machines, Targets, and all of these products, including GameStop, I'll throw in GameStop, continue, guys, to get more product. The third party cannot overwhelm themselves with all of the volume that's out there. And as the demand for people paying more MSRP continues to collapse, they're put in a bad position. So this is a really good thing, guys. I don't know. I'm going to take a shot at this, and I'm going to say, guys, that hopefully I'm taking a big coin flip right now. I know that a lot of you guys are going to call me crazy, but this is my coin flip. I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to say, guys, that just within the next few months, we will officially see MSRP boxes sort of become a reality. I think The market will truly never recover to what it was. I don't think we'll ever see a prismatic ETB hit $50. I'm saying that in confidence. I don't think we'll ever see that. However, I do think we will see prismatic ETBs probably hit 70, 60, and that's such a big change for a moment, you guys. That is so cool. That is so cool, and I hope we could see that one day. With just in a few months, we'll see that. And you guys are saying, bro, what the hell is this channel then? I've been wasting all this time buying this product for what? This is long-term stuff, guys. I'm telling you, Poke stocks, if you guys have not gotten the name yet, when you buy a stock, right, do you expect the stock to go up in a few days, in a few months? No. I mean, sure, it could go up a few dollars, but if you really want the long-term profit, it's about holding it long-term. Prismatic will change in a few years. I've said that. But for now, guys, I think this is a great time. Hold your money, and let's see how far this can go. If you guys do believe in this, and you guys do think that the product will continue to freefall, comment freefall in the comment section to let me know you guys are on the same page. But obviously, if you guys agree with me, we're taking a big risk, but high reward at the end of the day. And if you guys that believe that Prismatic is a great buying opportunity right now, then go ahead and take your shot at it. Honestly, I'm going to hold my wallet. I'm going to see what's going to happen. And I hope, guys, we will be able all to get some Prismatic evolutions at MSRP one day. Have a great day, my friends. And if you guys do want to support your boy, go ahead and join a membership. Note that you are getting some really beneficial stuff, not just paying to support me. You do get exclusive content and everything like that. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.